Jurors are deliberating for the second straight day in the capital murder retrial of AJ Armstrong.
Yeah, Armstrong was only 16 when prosecutors say he shot his parents to death while they slept in the family's Southwest Houston home. His first trial ended in a hung jury in 2019. Adam Bennett covering the trial, joining us live from the courthouse. What's the latest, Adam?
Well, Lynn, the jury has been deliberating since about 10 this morning. They also deliberated for 4 hours yesterday before being sequestered overnight. And so far this afternoon, we've heard them ring the bell asking for a list of the witnesses in chronological order from the judge. Of course, this all follows closing arguments that happened yesterday. During those arguments, prosecutors told the jury that alarm records as well as evidence inside the house shows that the person who killed Antonio Sr. and Dawn Armstrong had to have come from inside the home. They also reminded the jury about AJ Armstrong's inconsistent statements to police. But defense lawyers called those alarm records, quote, garbage, and they said there's no physical evidence linking Armstrong to the crime. They also cast blame on an older brother with access to that home who lived just around the corner.
But there's no question that he was having mental health issues prior to the murders. None. And according to their own expert, he's having auditory hallucinations. I think Kayra said he had a demon in his head.
The person who committed these murders was not somebody suffering from a psychotic episode. It was somebody who had well planned out thought, somebody who took elaborate attempts to go unnoticed by law enforcement and who was trying to throw the police off their tail.
Armstrong has had supporters here at the courthouse with him throughout the entire trial. Even the victims, the parents of the victims in this case. That is, of course, Armstrong's grandparents. He's also had his girlfriend here as well and a number of friends. If convicted, he would be sentenced to life in prison with parole eligible after 40 years. He is not eligible for the death penalty in this case because of his age at the time of the crime. Lenamia.
Adam Bennett with the very latest, and the deliberations continue. Thanks, Adam.